How to fold the heart napkin. Let's take your napkin, fold the bottom edge up to the middle, bring the top edge down towards the middle, then fold this in half. Place one finger in the middle of top and pull both of the sides down into the middle. Flip this over. Put your finger halfway up on the inside edge and pull the exterior corner down. You can tuck this flap in and repeat on this side. Flip this back over. And now on the upper outer edges, you're going to tuck those corners in to round out the heart. And there is the heart-shaped napkin. Thanks.